Say for example, you want to learn about the alimentary canal, which is a concept in class 10th and chapter 6. Open your textbooks, the particular image, then open the Augmented Reality app on your mobile phone. Your camera will automatically be opened. Scan the image from the textbook with the help of camera. Then your simulation will be live on your mobile phone. Now there is one button, AR camera. If you press this button, then the background will automatically change and you can now play the simulation.
The human alimentary canal, digestive system. Learning objective. Let us learn about the human alimentary canal. Alimentary canal organ. The alimentary canal is the long tube through which the food that we eat is passed. It begins at the mouth, passes through the esophagus or food pipe, stomach, small intestines, large intestines, rectum, and finally ends at the anus. The food particles gradually get digested as they travel through various compartments of the alimentary canal. Accessory organs. Accessory organs are organs which participate in the digestion process but are not actually a part of the alimentary canal. They stimulate the digestion by releasing certain enzymes that help in breaking down the food. For example, pancreas and liver. They stimulate the digestion by chewing and breaking down the food and by releasing certain enzymes which facilitate digestion process. Let us see how digestion of food take place in the human body. Ingestion. The very first step involves chewing. The salivary glands along with the tongue helps to moisten and lubricate food before being pushed down into the food pipe. Salivary glands. The saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase that breaks down starch, which is a complex molecule, to give simple sugar. The food is mixed thoroughly with saliva and moved around the mouth while chewing by the muscular tongue. Peristaltic movement. From the mouth, the food is taken to the stomach through the food pipe or esophagus. The lining of canal has muscles that contract rhythmically in order to push the food forward. These peristaltic movements occur all along the gut. Note: when food reaches the end of your esophagus, a ring-like muscle called the lower esophageal sphincter relaxes and lets food pass into your stomach. This sphincter usually stays closed to keep what's in your stomach from flowing back into your esophagus. Secretion. The stomach is a large organ which expands when food enters it. The muscular walls of the stomach help in mixing the food thoroughly with digestive juices of stomach, liver, and pancreas. This mixture is called chyme. Gastric glands. The digestion in stomach is taken care of by the gastric glands present in the wall of the stomach. These release hydrochloric acid, a protein digesting enzyme called pepsin, and mucus. The hydrochloric acid creates an acidic medium which facilitates the action of the enzyme pepsin. The mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach from the action of the acid under normal conditions. Pancreas. The food coming from the stomach is acidic and has to be made alkaline for the pancreatic enzymes to act. The pancreas secretes pancreatic juice, which contains bicarbonate to neutralize the acidity, and enzymes like trypsin for digesting proteins and lipase for breaking down emulsified fats. Liver. Liver secretes the bile juice. Bile is a compound that aids in the digestion of fat and eliminates waste products from the blood. Digestion. The process of converting complex food particles into simpler substances in the presence of enzymes and acids secreted by different digestive organs. Absorption. This process begins in the small intestine, where most of the nutrients and minerals are absorbed. The walls of the small intestine contain glands which secrete intestinal juice. The enzymes present in it finally convert the proteins to amino acids, complex carbohydrates into glucose, and fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Villi. The inner lining of the small intestine has numerous finger-like projections called villi, which increase the surface area for absorption. The villi are richly supplied with blood vessels, which take the absorbed food to each and every cell of the body, where it is utilized for obtaining energy, building up new tissues, and the repair of old tissues. Excretion. The unabsorbed food is sent into the large intestine, where its wall absorbs more water from this material. The rest of the material is removed from the body via the anus. The exit of this waste material is regulated by the anal sphincter. Learning outcome. The human digestive system, also known as alimentary canal, is a complex series of organs and glands that processes food. The digestive system allows us to break down the food we eat to obtain energy and nourishment. It also has to excrete waste.